What if you could make animations so captivating they'd stop anyone mid-scroll? The secret? AI tools that supercharge your creativity and skyrocket your content's reach. Stick around, because I'm revealing the top AI tricks creators use to dominate the digital world. Let's get started. Want your animations to go viral? It's no longer just about luck. It's about strategy and tools. AI transforms the way we create by simplifying the complex and amplifying your ideas. Imagine producing jaw-dropping visuals that tell stories, grab attention, and leave viewers wanting more, all in a fraction of the time. Ready to see how it works? Here's where the magic happens. AI tools are changing the game. Tool 1 makes rigging and rendering faster than ever. Tool 2 turns your wildest ideas into stunning visuals, and Tool 3 lets you design lifelike characters in seconds. These aren't just tools, they're your creative co-pilots, helping you push boundaries like never before. Which one will revolutionize your next project? Still wondering if AI can really make a difference? Check out how top creators like Kurzgesagt are leveraging AI to create mesmerizing animations. From hyper-realistic characters to seamless motion graphics, these tools elevate their content and captivate millions. Picture what this could do for your channel. The possibilities are limitless. Now it's your turn. Dive into these AI tools and start creating animations that not only look amazing but keep viewers hooked from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insider tips. Let's create something incredible together. See you in the next video.